Obesity and the asthma epidemic. Asthma has been increasing to epidemic proportions in Western developed countries. In the United States, there has been an increase in asthma from 6.8 million people in 1980 to 17.3 million in 1998. At the present time, there are roughly 500,000 new cases of asthma each year in the United States. This increase has been seen in other Western developed countries, notably the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and other countries in Western Europe. Rural parts of the world, such as rural China and Africa, have been spared the epidemic. Current estimates are that 25% of the US population are obese and nearly 50% are overweight. The obesity epidemic has paralleled the asthma epidemic, and the increase in obesity has occurred over the same time course and time period as has occurred with asthma. Obesity is associated with decreased physical activity and caloric excess. A number of hypotheses have been proposed to explain the epidemic. Is it really obesity, or is it physical activity that is driving the obesity epidemic? It is also noteworthy, at least in the case of coronary disease, that physical activity, calorie intake, and obesity all have independent effects on cardiovascular disease risk. The B2 adrenergic receptor, located on chromosome 5q, is one such gene. Polymorphic variation, a JLN27 variant, is associated with obesity in women. Conclusion: the asthma epidemic is real, and a variety of environmental exposures may help to explain the epidemic. Obesity clearly in part explains the asthma epidemic, and that it may be related to an underlying gene by environment interaction.